Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for the headphones JBL Live Flex free with using your iOS device. You have to start by open App Store. Now go to the search line right here and then click on the search line at the top. Now write JBL and click search. And you should install JBL headphones. Hello. Get started, accept, and we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.